lightning, 3 tornadoes were making their way to an innocent, unexpected South Texas home. The rain was getting heavier by the second. What will come of this ominous weather?
Upon noticing this terrible weather, the parents rushed to go watch the news. They couldn't believe what they were seeing.
3, 2, 1, we're live! Oh, hello there. It is Olga Schwanz here. As you can see, we have terrible winds erupting. There are 3 tornadoes about the area. We have heavy rains that are strong like ox. Very strong. Hide your kids. Stay inside.
The parents did just as they were told, and they rushed the kids into a safe closet. They left the children there scared and alone as they went and watched the storm progress.
Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Oh my gosh, Davis, why aren't you scared?
Because I'm a man. I have facial hair. I'm 13, see? Facial hair?
I'm so scared I could just...
With childish curiosity, the children snuck out of the closet to go watch the storm out the window.
Come on, Molly.
Okay,
Let's go. Come on, Molly. Let's see those tornadoes.
tornadoes?
Yeah. Didn't you hear?
There's a man out there. He's gonna die.
Cool, I can see their tornadoes.
From the window, the children could hear the news. They stopped and watched carefully.
I'm getting a call over from Lisa Smith live.
Thank you, Olga. I'm Lisa Smith coming to you live. It's really raining out here, as you can see. I'm getting wet.
To distract the children from the storm, the parents gave them a board game to play.
Go, Molly.
Yahtzee!
Do you hear that?
No, I don't hear anything.
I think the hail stopped. Yippee!
It had indeed stopped raining, and the parents were telling the children it was safe to come out of the closet. They did so wearily, for it was an extolling day. But, thankfully for the children, it was their bedtime, and they could rest.
Come on, it's safe.
Let's go, children.
Come on,
Everybody
Molly,
inside.
Davis. Come on.
Davis Jr. Good night, kids.
Yeah, sweet dreams. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Yep, you're safe. You're safe now.
Good night. Love you. Love you so much. You're past. On to tomorrow.
That was so scary. I never want that to happen again.
I know, we could have died.